guys, hey, coming to you with the giveaway. Got all your names in here, and I'm going to look away and pick one out. Okay, the cardstock I used was a little weird, but it's okay. I don't know. Okay, let me not look at it and shake them. Okay. Okay. Lynn's Laundrette. QBs, you're the winner. You're the winner. I hope you're watching this. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure you make cards. So I don't know if you would want stamps or dies, but what I'm going to do is show them all to you again a little up close, and then you guys can pick from there, okay? Pause the video, email me 2 of them that you want, and I'll get them in the mail to you. Hopefully by tomorrow if you send me your address. And anyway, email is in the link below. This is number 1. Pause the video if you need to see it. This is out of the package. It's not, I do have the backing still to it, but it is out of the package, okay? Merry Christmas, basically. Oh, these are Amberlou Golden Days. Oh no, this one is Merry Bright Amberlou polymer stamps, okay? Golden Days. This is number 2. I'm not going to talk about them because I'm on a time crunch here. Sweet Nothings, Valentine's Day. None of those are in the package. Neither are these. So I probably should get something up here. Okay, these are more like religious Christian ones. These are more like planner. And I actually, what I did with those was cut them out, some of them. Put them in my little bowl over here. Some more. Okay, these are more planner ones. But these I cut those out. That's where all the ones I cut out from. 7, here is 8. Let me take this out because I got one up there too. Sorry, that one is, oh no, that's the thing. I thought that was a little dirty. Number 9, these are still in the package. I did cut the tops though to make it easier for access. And then number 10. Okay, so that's all the stamps that don't have dies with them. Then we're gonna jump into this one, which is just dies that you emboss with. So miscellaneous, that's what I got this for, was for cards, but there's not a whole lot in there. And when you email me, let me know if you would want these Avery L pockets or not, because I can send those with them. These have stamps and dies. This is the butterfly, which I think everybody probably has, and it is used, obviously. So, and this is a birthday set. Just a little set that comes with, I've used this quite a bit actually. These next ones I believe are all spellbinders. Now these are probably not sets, but you know, when you're storing them, you store multiple ones together. So some of them have bigger ones, like this has the border die. Looks like a stamp to me. That's what that reminds me of. Now this one I think is 2 sets, which I don't care, but it does have a bunch of pieces, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. So I'll just send that all as one. This one is got a few pieces down here. This is a outline to this big kahuna there, and then that would go in the middle. And then banners, just a few banners there. And then these and that big one. It's pretty big. I mean, that would cover the front of a card probably. That's 2 there, just so that you know. Okay. Anyway, email me, Miss Lynn, which 2 you would like, and I'll get them to the mail. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for leaving comments. Talk to you later. Bye.